So when I say best lead guitar advice, I'm not talking about something you found here on YouTube. I'm talking about being in a live situation in a band or maybe a studio and somebody that you highly respect gives you some great advice or constructive criticism to help you with your lead guitar work. You know deep inside that they are right, but you still hate hearing it. For me, it's the less is more concept. I'll admit that I've had my struggles with that. Maybe this is something that you can relate to. Today I'm going to talk about why this advice is so important and give you some tips that have really helped me in this area. So let's get into it. When you are working out a solo or just improvising, here are the things that are the most important. Number one, don't overplay. A good illustration of this is when someone is talking and they tend to just ramble on without slowing down or stopping. Eventually we just get bored and start to tune them out. That can happen with playing lead guitar, so what you want to do is try to be more intentional and express yourself by playing with feel and try to create a nice flow. Maybe start out simple and build up to the shredding parts, so they will have more power and grab the audience's attention. Number two, let the solo breathe by leaving some space in between the notes. Once again, so you can focus more on feel and give the solo more character as you express yourself. Number three, when working out cover solos, you don't have to try to play everything note for note. However, you do want to try to nail the signature licks and parts that are the most memorable. From there, you can add some of your own style and character to it. Number four, spend some time watching videos of your guitar heroes and biggest influences and notice how they structure their solos and how they play by feel and have their own style. What I would like to do now is show you a quick clip with some examples of some of my lead guitar influences and how they each have their own style and character. Check out David Gilmour. Here's Joe Bonamassa. Next, we have Eric Clapton. Here's B.B. King. And one of my all-time favorites is Neil Schon. What I love is the way he plays these beautiful melodic parts and then goes into some really nice shredding. Check this out. Another thing that has really helped me is improvising by playing over guitar jam tracks. My favorite YouTube channel that I recommend is Elevated Jam Tracks. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Sometimes I purposely try to play as slow and keep things as simple as I possibly can, so I can get used to being more intentional and play with more feel. Here's a quick demonstration with me improvising over a track called Soulful Blues Groove Guitar Backing Track Jam in A minor. Also, I have another video that is all about learning blues lead guitar that I'll put up for you at the end of this one, as well as putting a link in the description. Keep rocking, and I'll see you in the next video.